Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about hair extensions. I did order some with my own personal money. This video is not specifically sponsored. This is a first impressions video. I haven't opened up the packaging yet at all, so I'm very excited for opening this package because I've been waiting. It is like 10 o'clock and it's the day after Martin Luther King Day, so literally I didn't get my mail until like 9 p.m. tonight, and I've been waiting all day for this package, so I'm super excited. Okay, so right off the bat, I did get 3 bundles of the hair. So here are my bundles. So first things first, I got a pair of lashes. I don't use black band lashes, but they're pretty cool. These are what these look like. All of the information on this hair will be in the description box below. This hair is by the ISHOW vendor, and I will have their link down below. I got their Malaysian straight hair in the inches 20, 20, and 22, so I got 3 bundles. Usually I go for more of a curly, wavy texture, but I really just wanted some silky, straight hair that still blends with my hair texture, so I got the Malaysian straight. All of this hair came to about $67 for 3 bundles, which I am not complaining about at all. They had a 4.7 out of 5 rating on AliExpress. And just a little disclaimer, a lot of people think that AliExpress vendors are not good and they pay all of this money on bundles, but let me tell you, if you do your research and you look at the ratings and you look at the pictures, you can get some really good hair out of AliExpress. This is the first bundle. This is the 20-inch. So this is the bundle right here. Oh, this is soft. This is so soft. Bundle's pretty thick for 20 inches actually. Usually the longer the hair, the thinner the bundle it is. That's why you should order more bundles if you're getting longer lengths. This bundle is actually very thick. I'm very surprised about this. The beards look really good. There's no fraying. I don't see any gray hairs at all. I'm not getting any tangles and no shedding. So far this first 20 inch is really good. The ends are very thick as well. Look at how nice these ends are. Like, there's no split ends. So this is the first bundle of 20 inches, and I'm going to be dyeing this hair jet black. But yeah, this hair is beautiful. So I'm going to open up the second bundle of 20 inches. So this is the second bundle of 20 inches. Once again, this bundle is pretty thick for a longer length. I'm very impressed by that. I'm running my hands through it right now. No tangles, and I'm not getting any shedding at all, which is really good. It doesn't have a chemical smell or like a processed smell. Usually that's with like curlier lengths. Sometimes they'll steam process their hair to stay like a certain pattern. There are no split ends. I am so impressed with this hair. Like, oh my gosh. And they're like even all the way out. And there's no split ends. This is the 22-inch bundle. Pretty thick little ponytail here, I'm going to say. This bundle isn't as thick as you can see, but I expected that because it is a longer length. I'm running my hands through the hair. No strands. That never happens. Like, I'm so thoroughly content with this right now. The ends on this hair is so healthy. Like, I'm so impressed with this company. Like, oh my gosh, where have you been all of my life? That was my quick little first impressions video for ISHOW hair. All of that will be in the description box below, so make sure you're always checking that out because I usually have all product details down below. Also, my social media stuff is down below if you want to follow me on that. I'm going to have the hair installed on Sunday for $67 for 3 bundles, and the hair is in that condition so far. I am very impressed. So quick question, I updated my current everyday face makeup routine, so give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see that next week. If not, I'll think of something else. I've switched up a lot of products since the last makeup routine, and I'm loving some products so far this year. So if you guys want to see this look, give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have questions or concerns, or if you want to see a video specifically, make sure you comment that down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can join our family. All right guys, I'll talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.